Hello, welcome to Ozana TV Craft. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful earring. Is this not beautiful? Is this not beautiful? So I'll be showing you how to make this, but first you need your earring, you need your scissors, and you need your needle and thread. That's all you need for this beautiful earring. So let's get started. The length is 13 inches while the width is 3.5 inches. Depending on how big you want yours to be, you can make use of any measurement. What we are going to do is turn this fabric. You locate the front and then turn the front inside and then sew, because after sewing you are going to turn it out back so that where you sewed will not be showing. So that's what we want to do. Just look at what I'm doing and follow the way I'm doing it. So as you can see, I am through stitching this line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out the excess rope, and with the help of this pin I will use it to turn the material. Place that I sewed, so I don't need this anymore. So what we are going to do, I'm done turning. Remember, this is the earring. So I'm just going to put it inside. Just watch the way I am doing it. So we are going to tack it so that this place will be tight, so that it won't be pulling out. But as you are tacking it, you make sure that your sewing will not show. Just try as much as possible to hide the sewing. So right now I'm done tacking this part. So what we are going to do is cut out the excess thread. go.
Give us a sign.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment. So this is what it looks like. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share. Also thumbs up to this video. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Do you like this earring? I'm going to be showing you how to make this earring in my next video. So don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be the first to see the video when I upload it. God bless you.